What is a dildo and how do you use it? In this video, I'll explain the do's and don'ts of using a dildo. This penis-shaped dildo can be used both vaginally and anally as well. The most common dildo is the realistic dildo. For example, this is from the Easy Toys dildo collection. This is a very realistic dildo featuring a ball sack, a veiny shaft and a rounded head at the top just here. The realistic dildo is suitable for everyone, men, women and even couples as well. This dildo features a very soft and flexible material as well, so it's very comfortable to wear during use as well. It also features a strong suction cup, so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. It looks and feels very realistic as well. Now this is shown here in 15 centimeters in length, but it does come in a variety of different sizes and colours as well. There's also a variety of different dildos, for example, glass dildos, colourful dildos as well. Choose the one that's right for you. This dildo is perfect for beginners due to its smaller size. If you found this video helpful, why not like this video? And check out our other product videos too. Perhaps you have a question for us. Why not leave a comment below and we'll come back to you as soon as possible.